Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Today on my Telegram channel, the main topic of discussion or the main updates were only on Nifty and this stock called Gufic Bioscience Limited. Right? Now let's talk about what the updates were, what were my trades. That will be the first segment, and the second segment we will look at Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. First of all, we have created an all-time high on Nifty today. We have crossed the previous high, which was in the month of January, February, and we have breached that and we have gone over that as well. Now, do we need to be careful? This is a question I ask myself every day. The market is rallying on another level, right? And even the all-time high, which could have acted as a resistance, did not act as a resistance as of now, and it broke through in matter of seconds. So let's get started looking at the chart and analyzing what actually happened, and let's talk about Gufic Bio as well. Before we get into the chart itself, the first thing is, in the morning, my first update was there are high chances that there might be a breakout on Nifty and which will create an all-time high, and there was a poll. I'm glad that all of you guys did respond to the poll, and for people who are new and want to join the Telegram channel for live updates, the link is given in the description. So in the first 5 minutes itself, the market started rallying and it started moving upwards. When the market started coming down, that is Nifty index started coming down, I had specified that on future chart 12,450, that was just a level above this, somewhere around here, will act as a resistance as of now. From there, when the prices started moving down, I had bought the 12,400 put options, which at 90, which when it went to 102, I had exited. A 12-point move was good enough for me, and I had exited mainly because I did not know how much it will fall. If the fall was going to be rigorous, I would have re-entered my put options. But then if you see, this level is where I had also specified that you need to see. There was a poll where I wanted to ask you guys, are the bulls going to take control or bears going to take control? In the end, bulls took control. I also specified 12,445 is the level below which bears can start taking control as well. But above that, there was a continuous update that I told that there are high chances that there might be a breakout again, creating a brand new high. If you see, that is what happened here at this. So when this candle was forming, that is where I had bought the call option at these levels, and when the prices started moving up, I had exited, and I had exited early. The main reason being, if there is a breakout also, these breakouts on index do not happen as fast. They do not happen on a, so today was a somewhat a range bound day. It wasn't a trending day, right? So that is why I wanted to exit early, and that is why I had exited. Now the second update was on Gufic Bio. Gufic Bio, when the stock price was somewhere around these levels at 121.10 is when I gave an update that there are high chances there might be up move, and this stock has a potential to touch 20% today. Now, if you see, the prices did go up. They went, the first breakout, it went to 124. If you see this candle here, from there was selling pressure and the prices came back down. Yes, it did manage to go. There was an update that I'm going to be extremely careful. The main reason behind this. Now I want to show you the reason why I was careful and I did not take position in Gufic Bio when the prices started moving up. If you see the volume bar, the volume here was comparatively higher, but then the volumes and the buy volume, sell volume were pretty much equal. So that was the main reason I did not know if the price is going to hit 20%. And when the prices did go up, I was skeptical and I did not trade this, and I had updated this also on my Telegram. From there, if you see, the buying got exhausted and the selling came in and the prices started moving down. Just imagine if I had entered anywhere at 124 where my max profit was 126.6, that is 20%. For 2.6 rupees, I would have had to take almost a 5 to 6 rupees loss if I did not exit early. So always be careful, know when to trade and know when not to trade as well. Now let's get into the second part. What do I expect from Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow? First of all, Nifty is like a fast moving car. Okay, let it go, let it move fast. There will be a speed breaker somewhere, and that is what we need to look at, right? At the same time, Bank Nifty also is moving at the same pace, right? Now let's get into the chart to know more about this. First of all, let's go to daily time frame. Now on top side, we have created an all-time high. On top side, we don't have any levels to look at as of now. But if the prices do go up, let them move up as much as possible. When there is a retracement or when there is a red candle that I see, that is where I might expect some kind of a retracement. At the same time, I'm going to be careful, because if buying comes, like how past 5 trading sessions have ended in green, if any buying comes, I will be extremely careful. All updates will be provided. Whatever I'm looking at will be provided to you guys on Telegram. Make sure you join that as well. Now, let's break down into 30 minutes chart to understand better and the levels that I'm going to be looking at. If there is a gap up, definitely the first level of test, right? If the prices start coming down, the first level of test has to be the high of today if there is any gap up tomorrow. If there is a gap down, okay, if the prices open below today's close and they start moving up, I want to see how they spend time at the range of 12,468 levels. Does it break out from there or it reverses from there? If it does reverse, probably there is going to be profit booking and even sellers are going to become active, right? So keep an eye on this. On the top side, I don't have any specific level that I'm going to be looking at. I'm just going to be waiting to see where the exhaustion actually comes in and from where the prices start reversing. Now, on the lower side, if there is a fall, right? If the prices open down and from there, if there is a fall, the first level of test is going to be somewhere around this, that is 12,400 levels. And if sellers do take control, there are high chances the prices can go lower than that as well to test today's low. And if that is broken, 12,350 is something what I'm going to be looking at. The prices may move lower than that also, but I'm going to be careful, but I'm not going to be taking any large positions. My position sizing is going to be comparatively lesser unless I see that the selling is more faster than the buying which actually happened in these days. And on the top side also, if the prices move, my position sizing is going to be comparatively smaller than I usually take. So it is better to be careful than go aggressive when we don't know what is actually going to happen, right? Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also. Now Bank Nifty is far from all-time high as of now. If Nifty corrects, Bank Nifty also automatically may see some kind of a correction, right? Now first level, now draw this line here. Do you see this? There has been a gap, right? This may act as a resistance. This area may act as a resistance. If what I'm expecting selling tomorrow. May be wrong, but then I don't have any open positions, so I'm going to be looking at the prices tomorrow and then giving an update. Right now what we are doing is a homework to see which scenario actually might play out. Now this is 28,000 is going to be something I'm going to be careful about if the prices do go there. I'm not expecting that so fast, but I'm not going to be delusional about it also, because prices can move. The way they have been moving, it is a possibility. So I'm not going to disregard that at all. Now let's change it to half an hour time frame to understand what can happen. The similar situation, price moving up, let it go. 28,000 is something I'm going to be looking at. Prices may stop below that also. So we are going to be extremely careful to see where the prices actually U-turn from there, right? Now from there, if the prices do come down or there is a gap down, this level that I've marked is going to be a testing zone. But if the prices do start falling, the first level of test is going to be 27,200 to 27,250. Somewhere around here. This is going to be my first level of test. If it spends some time there, or if there is aggressive selling, there are two situations I'm telling. If it spends some time there and then starts falling, that's another scenario. We need to see how it spends time there. But if there is aggressive selling or aggressive profit booking also, then from these levels also, if the prices do come down, I'm going to be looking at the lows of yesterday initially. And if what I'm expecting, one of the day when there is going to be aggressive selling, the probable gap that has been created here may get covered as well. But below that, there is a strong support as of now. Let's see what happens and how things go by. So make sure you are careful in the market right now. If you're taking positions, be doing it logically. Always keep an eye on when the selling might come. Profit booking also is something, right? So profit booking also will come, and that can add to the sell pressure. So make sure you're careful in the market. And I hope you guys have understood the analysis. If you have learned anything, do hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe to Mostly Bearish if you want more content, right? And if you want to learn candlestick analysis, I'm leaving the link to the whole playlist that I've created on candlestick, which should help you in your future. And I am going to be coming up post Diwali with new playlists itself, which are going to add value to you. Thank you so much for your support, and keep liking and sharing this content with everyone. Thank you so much.